So from your perspective, how have you felt your evolution's been, you know, over the last like 3 decades? You know, what point are you at now artistically that you weren't before?
I don't know. Of course we're peaking.
Correct answer.
We're probably better at playing all of our instruments than we were, just because we've been doing
nice,
it.
Isn't it?
Just we've been doing it for longer.
Is it too late to call this song? We could slip away. Yeah, would that be better if nothing to say? You in your arms swear. I try to hide myself from the crowd of you, and it's nearly impossible. I wait for you almost patiently. We could slip away. Oh yeah. Or would that be better? There's nothing to say, and here we go.
It is funny to me to talk about acquiring skill on our instruments because, you know, we are coming from zero. So I don't think anybody's mistaking me for Wes Montgomery yet. But so it still is a relatively skillful compared to where we were.
The shows are different every night, and we make up a set list a couple hours before we go on stage. I don't think I could live any other way. I think we would all go insane. Maybe we could do 2 nights. We could probably handle doing 2 nights, but I think at the 3rd night, I think we would just lose our minds.
I think try to keep the expectations to a minimum and try to, seriously, try to be, either pleasantly surprised or unpleasantly surprised by what happens and, just write a set list kind of imagining that would be a dramatic way to start a set.
Never wear a helmet when I'm riding my bike. I never recall the face. To me they all look alike. I've got a hole in my brain, but what I meant to say lives. I'm reliving the past, a gift that gives and gives. Walls closing in, they often do. I'm seeing double and triple. Does this ever happen to you? I have to make it wait, but it never argue with approving of you.
More than one filmmaker has asked us to compose like jazz cues. So we're like, all right, you asked for it.
You're the boss.
And so something we would never, I think, have the arrogance to like, all right, let's get a little jazzy now.